today I'm setting up my journal for the month of July. July is my birth month and I just wanted to make a little bit special, but I didn't do anything special. I don't like to doodle in my journal because I don't doodle well. That's kind of contrary because I'm an artist, but oh well. So my monthly setup is very simple, minimal, just a simple small calendar in the center of the page, and I just added a goal section as well. I usually don't add goals because oh well, who need goals, but the July is written in Korean as well as in French because I've been studying Korean for quite a while and I recently started studying French, so I thought maybe I should include languages in my day-to-day life that will help me. Now that I think about it, I should have written goals and gratitude in my target language as well, but next page is gratitude. Usually I would write down like this month, or I use this page for writing down deadlines, but since I'm at home I don't have any deadlines, nothing to do, might as well add gratitude. So I just wrote down the dates, and besides them it's just initials of the days of the week in Korean. And yeah, I did a mistake. I do a lot of mistakes in my journal, so it's my journal, who's nobody's judging, so yeah. I just added some random dots with the watercolors, and I made a heart on 17, which is my birthday. And once the watercolor dried, I wrote down gratitude. I tried to write in a fancy font, but just hand lettering and writing in good handwriting is just not something that I can do. Next page we have a tracker, and I fail at trackers. I will do them for half a month or 10 days and then I will forget about them, and then they're just there unfilled. But this month I'm gonna fill them. So I just wrote down and just drew the symbols of all the habits that I want to track. Sun is for getting up early. And then there's this circle thing for yoga, a book for reading, my Webtoon, my Korean, and my French. And if you guys don't know, I released my Webtoon last week. The link is in the description. It's in both English and Korean, so I hope you like it. Next to it is my mood tracker. I think I should just keep one because I do have like mood swings. Some days I'm feeling really good, some days I'm feeling really bad, and the way I feel kind of affects the way I perform that day, so I think this might be helpful. Next to it, just art ideas or just basic art page, like whatever things I want to draw for that month, whatever random idea comes to my head. And I will usually transfer the ideas from past month to this, and I will write down whatever more that comes to my mind. Next we have a weekly setup, and weekly setup, this time it's very different. I think I took inspiration from Lindy Boats on YouTube, and yeah, I just want to try something new. I've done the vertical box layout, but I got bored with it and I want to try something different. And again, I did make a mistake in writing the day of the week, which is, you will see soon. Like, instead of writing 수요일, which is Wednesday, I wrote down 월요일, which is Monday. And why do I make so many mistakes? Then I made one column on each page. On the left page, the column says memo, which is notes, and on the right one, it's for reflection. I think weekly reflections is very important. And here I made the mistake, so yeah, I'm gonna keep on writing the days of the week. On 3rd of July, it's my parents' anniversary. I actually looked up the word for anniversary in Korean and wrote that down here. And yeah, the week starts from Wednesday, so I didn't know how to divide it on both the pages, but for next week I'm gonna make again 6 columns, 6 or 7, whatever I feel like. I tend not to make a column for Sunday, or just make a very small column for Sunday, but still end up doing or adding tasks for myself on Sunday. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was something different. Apart from my art videos, I want to do art videos and planning and study related videos as well, so stay tuned for more.